radiodr.co.za. Original podcast. Exclusive.
I was probably 10, turning 11 when I started spitting. Never had the privilege of a beat, but I had a rhythm. Older homie told me that I'm different. Thought he meant I'm gifted, so I started scripting all my visions every single weekend. I've been on my business, I've been on my mission. Back when I was kicking it with Cindi, and it was a secret. Wishing I could take back how it happened, but I don't regret it. My brothers got my back, shout out 9/11. All that clever ear going mental. We were fucking rebels, only had my nigga Pazo Nation. Never had a mental, now I'm chita feeling like a god. I need a temple, used to dream about it from afar. Now the path is simple, pace up and I try and make the distance. I don't see the finish line, so I've been out here running since. Up through at the city. Cyphers, I was illy, you should ask about me. Straight from school at DUT, I killed it every blazing Friday. Never had insurance, but I did it my way. Never was a fan of getting blunted. I was high on nothing. Mama had me clocking in a church every single Sunday. Amen. Way before the clubs, tell the Lord forgive me. Music make it feel like I'm in heaven. Dancing with the devil, rooted in the roots of all evil. Bumping golden shovel. Did a couple battles just to flex some muscle, but I always had a lot to handle. I was on my hustle. I was in the trap, I had got a hunger. I was trying to re-up on the cash just to help my mother. 1 a.m. I'm trying to find a cab. La Pomplitustana, we were always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Now I'm back to bustin'. I was always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Yeah, La Pomplitustana, we were always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Back to bustin'.
Everybody's always got an opinion about everybody. Could give a shit about it. Still the same old me.
I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits.
I think my bad habits, and I think this applies to a lot of people as well, is procrastination. Yo, bro, if I'd have to tell you about everything that is in the pipeline or I'm planning, but haven't executed, it's crazy. I could be an instant millionaire tomorrow, but I'm not. So it's just a bit messed up, to procrastinate about stuff. So I'm trying to learn to fix that and work on that, especially for the past 8 months, So if I think of something, I like to do it now, or do it at least in 3 days, as opposed to think of something and saying no, wait for things to come perfect or whatever. Some things just work once you get the ball rolling. So I've learned that it's important to not procrastinate and just get the ball rolling, no matter how long the journey is.
You are now tuned in to recording live again on radiodr.co.za. Reporting live, Ngakini, it's your boy MJ. Ngakini, Deep Rooted Radio, Ngakini. I've got a very special guest, namhlanje. My blood, my brother, my loved one, Ninja Enja, Babput. Babsefan, Tokam, Kalagats. AK, man, it's your boy AK. It's your boy AK reporting live again. Sponsored by all over. Shout out to Salo fans. Shout out to Deeply Rooted. www.radiodr.co.za/umche. Ngakini.
Reporting live again. It's your boy Young God. It's AK911, AKIXXI. Sure, we're out here to share a couple bad habits, yeah?
I'm a bad. We are currently.
I'm a bad habits, man.
Shout out to Bongo Mesha sponsoring the show. Make sure keep us, properly in the zone. It's the right way. I want shout out to the ladies for enjoying moral support.
For ambiance.
Shout out to everyone involved. Ngakini, we got your boy AK. And this motherfucker, I've been like cracking the web, telling him, "Kahlahla bad habits fanga baphuma ngo-2017." To release work, bro, because you got work for motherfucking days. It's a studio, bro. But it's AK. I'm gonna let you finesse them, dog. Just tell the people what you've been working on, as a human being on Earth.
It's been 2 full years, man. I've been working on bad habits.
Showcase.
Yeah, bad habits. It's just as it is. Why bad habits is because I think our habits is like who we are. Like that's how you define a person. My habits are.
Genius.
Sure. So even though I don't rap about bad habits specifically, but that's what you pick up mostly from the songs. It's okay. If you pick up what my habits are, you can tell. It's okay. He's always with who, is always around who. Very vulnerable on the projects as well. Like I open up a lot, I get personal, at the same time. So it's just me, at most. Yeah.
Well, damn.
Conceptually, that's the project. Musically, then production, one and only. Angano meyamazi lo mjidi uJabulani Cindi uhlala la K
umabhudi inja enja ingahlanhla ukandakanda pasa into enkulu
uyazi nawe
Ngakini
sabelo 44 ibhudu toy uyazi ngimshiya ku toy talk yami yabo. We got a special relationship with toy, like we don't make a lot of music together, but every time I'm working on a project I feel like he brings it together. Yeah, like he brings it together because he'll always bring out, like he reminds me ukuthi ngubani, like when it comes to music, yabo. So even though I'll always do like style esisha on what he gives me, but sound yakhe just reminds me ukuthi shit, this is the shit that got me into hip hop, yabo. Nika le beats le ngangizwa ngo 2007 thinking shit yabo ngashaya le ngoma, I'm blowing up next year. Yabo leon, yeah. So I always gotta have a toy, yabo, and then uyazi give usole to affected, yabo leon, to set the ambience, yabo leon, to 404 as well, yabo. So yeah, production.
This is actually Affected's beat playing in the background, bro. It's the motherfucking intro to Eat Bad Habits, bro.
I think he made it together with 404.
Tech team yomhlaba.
Yellow Cross. Shout out to Yellow Cross. Go on freaking Instagram and check that out. Follow them. Yeah.
Bro, I want to talk about like the hustle, talk. You know what I mean? What's going on? Who are you releasing under? Is AK like? Do you have a manager? Do you have a secret man, secret agent? Don't know. Something called a PE Buddha finance. Going to
out here doing it ourselves. It's just basically studying the game, like how it's always been. But like I come from a breed of MCs that had to learn how to produce themselves, even though they didn't want to be producers, just yabo to cut out Cindi ukufuna resources. So it's the same here, yabo leonto. Like you gotta make sure that everything is done right yourself. You study the game, you get everything well planned, and then you put it out there, yabo. With regards to company, that's my own shit, yabo.
Boss, what are we at? Shit, what's going on? I'm going to rehab center. Reporting live Ngakini, Bolo. What's going on? Okay, continue. Sorry for that advert for the interlude. I'm sorry, public service announcement. I'm sorry. Back to AK.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No, got the EP plan to continue so we can get this going.
Bruh, I so feel like Fesu AK must just like give us more visuals, bruh.
That's true.
How about personalized?
That's very true. That's very true. With regards to Eat Bad Habits, that's what I'm going to be using to release a whole lot of visuals for. Yabo. With Joba, I think I'm doing everything myself. Yabo. I've been held up with that admin side of getting the album released right.
Arguing album. No, not EP. It's snack. It's arguing album. Don't get any ideas. Relax.
Yeah, the project. Yeah,
project.
Getting the EP done right, grand. And then with that out, yeah, best so ends my visuals. Oh my god!
I mean, it's
22/7. I create some of bad habits.
I quit it now. I quit it. 22 fans. Why super slide? Hey, super slide. Hey. Reporting live, gonna get his support. Basically, my big body, like my best, you AK. He's telling us about some of bad habits, but like, tell us the stories behind like, my interlude. I'm an interlude. It's happened in a very, very amazing way. You'd swear I planned that shit. Okay, hold up. That's because I think they're gonna listen to this and then like they're gonna get the project. They're gonna get the project. In this project, see bad habits. Kona lama interlude ne neki nama shandis nama personal kill and exist that just breathe at the end of the songs where snacks that are like little tidbits, bro, like about telling you about their bad habits and kona manager romantic angchamile nje personal nizoweza nje ukuthi angchame kanjani masenizwa nani nonke yabo kodwa nje reporting live Ngakini AK
it's simple. I just ask people to send me voice notes of their bad habits, and these are people that are very close to me, so I felt like yabo, you are who you hang with, yabo. So I just basically used them to further my story, yabo. So they emphasized the point, and I didn't even plan it. Like everything they mentioned either had a concept that I already had on the project value, or it relates to it, yabo. So I used them accordingly, yabo. It's all in sync. It's uzoezwa.
No, personally, ngifuna ukupersonalize every day bad habits.
Ufuna ukushuta.
Ngabe sayaqala kuyimanje 22 minutes behind the scene on the record dog. Asiqaleni kuyimanje. Shout out to everyone involved in the show behind the scenes. Shout out to everyone rolling and smoking and watching and laughing and talking. It's just great.
Ngakini, Sepora, J section, Kashefana reporting live.
Ngakini. Oh, personal. Okay, you're multitask. Reporting live Ngakini. Shout out to Bonko or mentioned who are a huge part of this show. I feel like we don't give them enough credit.
Yeah.
This is serious, bruh. Like they are the life.
My TTA, bruh. Like
they are the life of this show. They are the blood, the veins, the breath, the bread, the life, everything, bruh. Huge, major responsibility of the music and summer herbalist. Sponsored by all of. But tell the people when the project is coming out, who you worked on with the like in the project, bro. Cause like Blame Game is a motherfucking jump.
Basically I work a lot with my friends. And this you're gonna tell how the follow-up EP icon is called Same Habits. I mean, same friends, different habits. So basically, that's just the people I work with the most. Because with the Blame Game, in Tuana and Jayala Ngasekaya, we're unique. He lives down the road. Yes. Slow L, like he's like my blood. He lives down the road. About LV, we've been friends for over 15 years now. You did most of the production. We've been friends for over 10 years now. About Sonje, it's just basically that. Like I work mostly with the people that I live with. Yeah.
Cool.
Nombali, shout out to Umbali. She got a feature.
Shout out to Umba, the executive producer, the creative director. Shout out to the creative director for reporting live equals to the Republic. Creative director who's responsible for the vision, the livelihood, the morale, Shout out to her.
And
on
everything
Earth.
DJable.
Everything DJ Homa. Mind you, when is the project dropping, dog?
June 6th. June 6th, it should be up on all major stores. Got target. Yes, now we admin game. We just hope that they report it live on the dates.
Oh, well, we're gonna make sure what's in so.
Yeah, but it should be up in stores on 6 June. Yeah, it should be available on iTunes. Should be able to Shazam whatever video I drop with the song. Blame Game is already out right now. If you can check me out on SoundCloud, AK_911, 9 the number and 11 the word. You can check me out on Twitter as well. Same handle. Instagram, same
Talk
handle.
to him, dog. My channel.
I got a Facebook page as well.
My channel. My channel. Showcase, dog. Showcase. Man, it's what took so long, bruh? Fuck it. What took so from Chase Dykes and Blackjack 2013?
Hey, bruh.
2013, 14. Chase Dykes and Blackjacks.
Darkest Before Dawn, 2015.
Chase Dykes and Blackjacks is before 2015. Yeah. Oh my god.
2012, 13. Yeah, and then Darkest Before Dawn 2015 are supposed to release each Saturday the 14th 2016-17, and that project wasn't mixed. My boy Big Buddy yako ya delete my file. Yeah, so I didn't drop that, and then
it's part of the game. I artist thing as it deleted.
Then I started working on a joint collab project which also wasn't released. That then wasted a whole nother year. So I took this whole past year working on Bad Habits, because it was supposed to be done the previous year. Yeah, and here it is, 15 tracks in.
Damn. Reporting live again, it's your boy Jay. Shout out to Bonko Meshant holding us down through these fucking times, bro.
Goddamn,
high as fuck.
Getting more shout outs than my girlfriend. Like,
This is not the kind of show. I go when it attack. I go. It's not that kind of show. We are not that bad.
Shout out to all my exes.
I'm a proper guy. Oh yeah, shout out to all. We're gonna send all of your exes a reporting live again care package, to help them with t-shirts, some weed, to just help them get over. I
hope they ain't covered that tat yet.
Oh, mouse, because I know how much that are looking at that tat like what the fuck. Reporting live again, it's your boy MJ. Shout out to Bonk All Over Incorporated. Shout out to my nigga 22 making sure MJ is properly. I'll make it up pants, properly medicated the right way, back to back, blunt to blunt, reporting live again, city to city, titty to titty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Bad Habits, eating in public.
Showcase.
Tell us what are your favorite songs from that project, bro, and I'll tell you my favorites and why.
My favorite songs on this EP are just very personal songs, more especially because I like music like that. Like I like artists whereby I can tell what their personal life is like or who they are personally. So from the jump, Black Sheep,
Black Sheep.
Yeah, from and Blame Game, Dreams of Italy, Anything for the Pain.
Shout out to Toy for Dreams of Italy.
Those are very personal songs. Yeah. And then bese kuba nengoma zokushiblia.
Okay.
Pressure Kinging Health.
Shout out to LV.
Sure.
Wherever you at, Lao
But the
Shimbiga call.
striker, number 9 of the team, bro, has to be Bad Habits because
Yeah, the
apart
intro.
from setting the mood, it's just bro. Like you can
it's
listen
like-
to that song and get the whole project.
It's like one of the best intros, bruh, in a while, bruh, that I've heard,
is.
bruh. Because of the entire project.
Yeah.
Because of the entire
as
thing.
a song on its own,
Showcase.
no, but like but like as a project, it's even more. But if you get to listen to that song first, every other song makes sense. Showcase.
Sizoyishaya ividiyo mfethu mhlawumbe sesiqalile already reporting live Ngakini. Shout out to all over bonke, shout out to the girls for moral support bas-encourage nje ukuthi simsenze into right. Shout out to Radio DR, shout out to Usilo, shout out to my bestie Usilo, young CEO. And tell us, you know, what else you working on? What's next, dog?
So aside from Bad
Or how far do you want to push this, though, bro?
Apart from Bad Habits, at the same time, I'm a DJ. Bro. So with AK and Kayla, I'll be working on a project as well. We've been pushing the single, It Get It Bag. So after the single, It Get It Bag, we're going to be dropping a project. I just don't want to mention too much yet. But that's up next. And I'm also now working on another EP. It's necking just for a follow-up.
So keep on
So
keep on September, yeah, vel. Abanye. Kube kanye.
They will oin.
What's the name of that snack? Or you're just in a cooking mode, you don't even know, you're just cooking.
It's same friends, different habits. Yeah.
It gets deeper in the same year.
Yeah.
Back to back.
It's like a breakaway EP. It's not like a part 2. It's an extension of the story.
It's snacky as Puma from missing his neck. Snack to snack.
Exactly. It's like buying a lollipop. No chippies.
Oh, Fetu. It's secrets, Batana. Fetu, when we each other was got Kono.
We ain't done yet.
Ngakini.
Reporting live,
Ngakini. We high as fuck in this motherfucker.
Shout out to Silo and Radio DR. Like it deeply rooted is putting on right now. But it's one of the other things that are in the pipeline. I might be working on a podcast as well.
Fetu.
Yeah.
Bachele dog, baposhele. AK Ngakini.
Yeah, so there's quite a lot. We're working on online coverage as much as we can. Just as we got a feature on the Abyss of Awesomeness last week, they did an article on the EP, like a full review. Amazing article. Please Google that, the Abyss of Awesomeness. Check out the article on Bad Habits. Jabulani, shout out for putting us on, Manjan.
Shout out to Unjabulu for holding it down. I read that article. It's so dope, bruh. Like it is so dope. It's like wow, bruh. Like he's deep.
He's deep.
That
guy really surprised me. Like when I sent the project to him, I sent it purely because he's somebody that genuinely responds to my music when I release. So I was sending it to him, and I didn't know how deep he was really with my music. So when I read the article, nigga mentioned stuff that was happening back in 2008. 2007.
That's love, bro. That's genuine love.
So it was amazing to have an article about myself and Tswembuanje.
Bro, from what I've seen, the response has been genuine and good. It seems like the people have been waiting for some new shit from you. Everyone is happy. Obviously, we wish we could have done some things better on our side, but now that it's almost going to get out to the people, they need to hear it, bro. They need to interact. They need to fuck with it. It's dope. The people who have it are like your biggest evangelists, bro. They are promoting the shit out of it.
Yeah. And like even like it was good that I actually did this, and I was doing this because of Le Starvation show. Like people hadn't had a taste of my music in a minute, so I was like, I'm a die hard, and I know the relevant people, so that's the people I put on first before I dropped it. So they put me on the internet. I wasn't even ready to release the cover, but angifakanga disclaimer. I let them have that. I was like, you know what? Let's get it. So it drop and it's out there. But and I'm glad. I'm glad people are responding how it is.
The response has been fucking good, bruh. Online, damn dog, wow, it's genuine, it's all love,
that right now available. If radio won't play us, then we'll put ourselves on.
Bruh, it's all love, dog. First baqine ngama-video, dog. As ubaqindi, I declared today, 2 June, what's this? Sizwe ngama-video, angeke, fazishe man. Oh man, fazishe, all over TV, nigga pibolo. Shout out to 22 young CEO, all over TV. Yeah, well, shout out to the ladies for your moral support and encouragement. Sibonga nje yonke into, besibonga i-vibe, i-ambiance, i-ambulance.
I-ambulance. Yazi i-ambulance yalapha ethi mnandi. I-ambulance la kule room.
I-ambulance la. Awemba ilambo, bruh. Oh my Lord on earth, reporting live Ngakini, sponsored by all over. Shout out to Ingane. Shout out to all over. Now I want us to like go behind the scenes a bit deeper and talk about Isnek Sakuno, AK and Caleb, bro. Like that Get a Bag mega smash hit. What's this shit last year, bro? The right way, dog.
No, with the Caleb this year, we're working on a project. It's called Slow Jam Solo. So basically, it's just a collection of songs with niggas in their feelings. That's
Slow Jam Solo.
It's Slow Jam Solo. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so
Volume 1, all over in their feelings.
Yeah, but that's what's happening. So it's pretty much done. Yeah, but we just need to get it mixed and then we start releasing that. Was so people can just comfortably settle in with the bad habits because we're working collaboratively, like not as different artists. AK and Caleb, no, AK 911 is just one thing. Because if AK pulls through, Caleb's DJing for him, so that's still the same people you get when you book AK and Caleb. So pretty much, once we settle in properly and get bad habits, then just drop Slow Jam Solo. But the single should be dropping straight after we drop Bad Habits. Yeah.
And how are you planning on releasing Bad Habits, my friend?
Bad Habits will be released.
Like, what's like the marketing strategy? What's the branding? Or do you have like a manager?
When and you executive director?
Creative director.
Yeah, bruh.
What's the next move, Doctor?
So it's just online. We do videos. We release them via Reporting Live Ngakini campaign. We push that. We're gonna work on listening sessions with the 22. You're already on it. We just need a date. I'm planning on bringing back a hangout at least once this year. Like there's a demand for that, and I'm gonna use that platform as a marketing strategy. I wanna also go with physical copies, but in a strategic way, not just physical copies, because I have songs I want to put on. So like if you get the physical copies, there's songs you get that you won't get if you get it online. So yeah, there is plan there. There's merge and the plan for the project, for all projects, matter of fact. So yeah, but it's just a matter of getting the right way to package it and presenting it to the people, because he reaching products.
Like if you had like a bad habits like lighter. He lights us up on to bad habits.
Exactly. Namans.
Our ma peso. No Zasha to campus. We're definitely excited to see the response of Abantu, how they interact with that project now. How do they live with that shit? Because cooking it up was a jump. Big peel, I go, Nandizisha.
What do you have to say about the bad habits and the contribution you are calling?
The contribution, we go, quite legs, I contribution. Quite legs, I contribution, yeah, okay.
Who's a contributor?
Yes, I contribute, and I okay. Bad habits, my friend. So it's like, first, a masterpiece, bro.
Yeah, Bad Habits Volume 1, eating in public, fully KFC, taxiing, that's what it is.
Lelo punga. Lelo punga. Oh my, a bad habit. Leo essence, Leo element, Leo bad habit.
Shine yako ingestrad.
So let's go a bit more in depth with the people you're working with. It's Ngo Elvi. Akekho umuntu ofeaturishwa njengo Elvi emhlabeni.
Kodwa yena ukudropa. Dog, I should be interviewing you about that shit.
Akekho umuntu ofeaturishwa njengo Elvi.
Dog, akekho umuntu ofeaturisha njengo Elvi. He's been putting in. He's on every project we put out. It's
Elvi, where art thou?
Uyapheka, dog, Elvi. I think he's in the mixing stage, man, of dropping Durban Experience. Yeah, he is. He was just collecting files this week to get some shit, a few songs mixed. I from we edit on.
Elvi, dog, where art thou? Hey, bro, was that like hook versinyana on King in verse? So King it, dog. Tell us the inspiration behind that, cause yo, it's a motherfucking banger.
It was a freestyle. Like we were just jamming. Now LV, bumping one of your beats and just see Shale. That's face. So practicing a couple of our habits. Not in
Sponsored by Omission.
Yeah,
sponsored by Omission.
Yeah, and just straight with Yazin Angebas chilling next. They're trying to tell us what to do. No. Yeah, so I freestyle and then we had it. And when I went to studio, I went home, I wrote the verse, I went to studio, I recorded it, and then he pulled through and it was a jump. My shit.
LV King, yes, so simlaz.
Straight up.
Abonje King ukushimlika. Abonje King ukushimlika emlazi. LV the King himself, boy. Ngakini. Reporting live Ngakini. www.radio.co.za/reporting live Ngakini/umj. Ngakini. Shout out to Bonk all over, sponsored by all over. Namanje.
We out here.
Reporting live Ngakini, fans. I can't wait for the people to listen to Bad Habits, fans, and fall in love with this shit, dog. It is a motherfucking masterpiece, fans.
Definitely. Even like I want to go back to even Lomchito Jabulo period. Like when he wrote that article, he like what irresponsible shit. This nigga gets the picture. Lomchita gets the picture, like, because when you make music, you don't know if people really get it. So when you get somebody on but and then explains it exactly like how you meant it, you already know what you're doing. You're using the right colors.
But so far, bro, with the admin or like what I'm saying, bro, I think it's perfect, dog. It's the right buzz. The timing is great. Everyone's excited. I'm excited. So shit, bro. I can't wait so people get to hear this motherfucking shit, dog. Masanga, dog, the right way. The long way, the King Kong. If I share my video 100.
If I share my video, dog, starting from track 15, it's new. But track 15 is now share man, it's a shibli, dog. But once we're done recording this podcast, resource change.
Exactly. But I want to ask a question. Out of everything that's going on right now in the game, and Minavesu, this wave that I feel like we're trying to usher in all over, bruh. What do you think, like, in the game? Cool, wonky lama trend lawa talking was just in your absolute bullshit, bruh. You one night stand in your saga, don't you? You one night stand in your saga, don't you?
There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a whole lot of bullshit that goes on. Me and you personally, we don't pay attention to that. But we probably catch that wave. It's like we don't pay attention to that. It's like if I hear something I don't like, I don't play it again. So I never really know. Unless I'm watching TV and then I notice, oh, okay, this is now the trend, but I do a very little of watching TV. I'm always in my room, I watch what's on my laptop, and it's usually just some fucked up documentary about death or or Egypt or
quantum physics.
Or quantum physics, So I don't really pay attention. So
you're just in your own lane doing your own thing.
Yeah, like no lie, even when I personally as Umuntu, sometimes you will like something that you know is gonna blow over. You might even dabble, but we don't pay attention to bullshit.
You might even dabble.
How everybody's human enough.
Hey, masu phakathi kwi-sauce.
When you sauce, we sauce.
Hey, dog. No regrets.
No regrets. No regrets. At all.
Shout out to all of us, sponsored by all of us behind the scenes, my friends. Reporting live again. It's your boy Umche Mfeso in studio with your boy AK Mfeso. Holla at them one last time where they can find you, bro. How you gonna drop this motherfucking bad habits shit? Like when? What's going on, dog? Damn.
Okay, yeah, AK911, AKIXXI on Facebook, AK_911, 9 the number, 11 the word, on Instagram, on Twitter, on SoundCloud. We're going to be releasing this project online everywhere. If you hear a song, see a video, Shazam it. After the 6th of June, it drops 6th June. Check it on, should be on iTunes, Deezer, Spotify. If you follow me online, you should get all the links ready on the date. I'm out here, Simlas.
Ngakini. Putting live Ngakini. Shit, I'm high as a motherfucker right now, bro. Fuck. I'm just saying. Oh, am I? Okay, fine. Let's get reporting live Ngakini. It's your boy MJ. www.radiodr.co.za/reporting live Ngakini. Shout out to the CEO, CeeLo, deeply rooted. Oh my gosh, Monday, bad habits dropping.
I'll clock into work, my nigga. I'll clock in, couldn't.
Sponsored by all over the whole time, deeply rooted radio. Follow Umche at Umche. Everywhere at Jabulani_Cindi, at Jabulani_Cindi. Yeah, dog. Bad habits, face. What a dip. Volume 1, eating in public. Shout out to you, Dom Zolo.
June 6th.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Again on radiodr.co.za.
I was probably 10, turning 11 when I started spitting. Never had the privilege of a beat, but I had a rhythm. Older homie told me that I'm different. Thought he meant I'm gifted, so I started scripting all my visions every single weekend. I've been on my business, I've been on my mission. Back when I was kicking it with Cindi, and it was a secret. Wishing I could take back how it happened, but I don't regret it. My brothers got my back, shout out 911. All that clever ear going mental. We were fucking rebels, only had my nigga Pazo Nation. Never had a mentor, now I'm chita feeling like a god. I need a temple, used to dream about it from afar. Now the path is simple, pace up and I try and make the distance. I don't see the finish line, so I've been out here running since. Up through the city. Cyphers, I was illy, you should ask about me. Straight from school at DUT, I killed it every blazing Friday. Never had insurance, but I did it my way. Never never was a fan of getting blunted. I was high on nothing. Mama had me clocking in the church every single Sunday. Amen. Way before the clubs, tell the Lord forgive me. Music make it feel like I'm in heaven, dancing with the devil, rooted in the roots of all evil, bumping golden shovel. Did a couple battles just to flex some muscle, but I always had a lot to handle. I was on my hustle. I was in the trap, I had got a hunger. I was trying to re-up on the cash just to help my mother. 1 a.m. I'm trying to find a cab. La Pompetustana, we were always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Now I'm back to bustin'. I was always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Yeah, La Pompetustana, we were always busy on the decks. Now I'm back to bustin'. Back to bustin'.
Everybody's always got an opinion about everybody. Could give a shit about it. Still the same old me.
I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits. I'm the same old me. I just think I gained a couple kilos and picked up a couple habits.
I think my bad habits, and I think this applies to a lot of people as well, is procrastination. Yo, bro, if I'd have to tell you about everything that is in the pipeline or I'm planning, but haven't executed, it's crazy. I could be an instant millionaire tomorrow, but I'm not. So it's just a bit messed up, to procrastinate about stuff. So I'm trying to learn to fix that and work on that, especially for the past 8 months, So if I think of something, I like to do it now, or do it at least in 3 days, as opposed to think of something and saying no, wait for things to come perfect or whatever. Some things just work once you get the ball rolling. So I've learned that it's important to not procrastinate and just get the ball rolling, no matter how long the journey seems.
RadioDR.co.za Original podcast. Exclusive.